Okay, on these, you're going to learn about movie, alright? On the movie, you need to learn about classes, right? Classes, and similarly, you need to learn about inheritance, right? You need to learn about inheritance, and next you need to learn about what? Methods and let's say download, right? These are all the things that you need to cover within OP, right?
Are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of Pythonista? In this YouTube channel, we explore what it means to be a Pythonista, uncovering the secrets of Python programming, and delving into the art of crafting elegant solutions with this versatile language. Join us on this exciting journey as we embrace the power of Python. Subscribe to ikhomkodes today and embark on a journey of discovery and innovation.
So, yeah, let's fill these topics, right? Okay, on the advanced topics, you are going to learn about iterators, right? Iterators, and similarly, you are going to learn about filter and custom modules, right? So, that's it. And similarly, you are going to learn about regex, and you're going to learn about decorators. Next thing that you need to learn is lambdas, right? So on the OP, you need to learn classes, inheritance, methods, download, and so on, right? So these are the things that you need to learn, alright? Before beginning your Python development roadmap, alright? So, okay, next we have package managers, right? So on the package managers, you are going to learn a lot of things, alright? So you need to learn 4 things under this topic, right? So first, you need to learn about what API, and similarly you need to learn how to use PIP, right? PIP is used for different kind of installation, right? Especially building packages of Python, right? So next you need to learn about conda as well, and similarly you need to know about pointry, which has to write different kind of points, right? Pseudo points. So these are the things that you need to learn on the package manager. So you can simply move on just like this, right? So next we need to learn about different other things as well, right? So let's discuss on that. Okay, so next thing that you need to know, that you need to learn is about list comprehensions, right? List comprehensions. Similarly, you need to learn about generator expressions. Alright. So next, you need to know about paradigms, right? Paradigms as well, right? These are the things that you need to cover under advanced topics during the roadmap of Python program. Alright. So that's it. That's a quick review. And so after dealing with advanced topics, you need to you need to know a framework, right? Framework on which you are interested to work, right? So here we'll be discussing. Okay, so still we have another thing that you need to do, right? So yeah, so either you can learn framework synchronously or asynchronously, right? Okay, so you can go this way or this way, right? It depends on your choice. Alright. Synchronous approach or simply asynchronous. Alright, so that's it. So to know about synchronous, you need to learn pyramid, right? On the synchronous, you can use frameworks like FastAPI, Django, and Flux, alright? So you can simply use FastAPI. So here you can learn about FastAPI, right? FastAPI framework on the synchronous, similarly Django, and similarly you can learn about Flask, right? Okay, these are the things that you can learn on the synchronous framework of Python programming. Alright, so that's the thing that I was trying to see. Alright. Okay, next we have asynchronous framework. For this we are going to learn about event, USDB, AIUSDB, Tornado, Scenic, so on, right? if you take a synchronous framework, then you need to learn JVM, AIOS-TTP, alright? AIOS-TTP. Similarly, you need to learn Tornado, and you need to learn about the static. These are the things that you can, right? Now, finally, after learning a framework, you can test your apps, right? Under this, you can use different tools and resources to test your apps, alright? So for testing your apps, you can use test, right? And another resource that you can use is nodes. Similarly, you can use PyTest. Similarly, you can use unit test or simply by unit, right? So these are things that you can use for testing your apps, alright? So for more, you can visit my GitHub account. There I will published a lot of things, right? How my Python programming journey started, right? I have already given all the things, right? So these are the things. Okay, let me give you a quick review on each topic. Okay, my battery is kind of low. So let me give you a quick review on each topic. So first, here we are going to talk about roadmap of Python developer. Let me remind you, this is a roadmap for Python developer. Alright, okay. First, you need to know about backend programming, right? Until you select a language, you need to know about backend. First, you can start from C, C++, right? These were some of the first programming languages. After selection of a language, you can start your journey, right? So you can start your journey. Correct? Python development journey begins from here. Alright. So after choosing your Python as your preferred language, first you need to learn the basics of Python programming. Okay, I want to use neon and allo, right? I think I need Xcode for neon and allo. Xcode as FFF01 and 01. Let's try with fluorescent allo. Xcode for fluorescent allo is CCFF4. Alright, okay, this is also not so bright. I need bright color, bright color combination. Please do let me in the comment section if you have any color combination code. You can comment bright, I need bright color, right? FFFF33. Okay, this is quite bright. 100% not bright. Okay, maybe I could try with triple F D01. Triple F D01. It's not working. It's working, but I need even more bright color, Okay. Brightest color. Brightest color. Okay. It's a color combination. Can I go with 4F00 or F00? It's quite. I need even more brightest color, right? Okay, that's all I have to say for now. Alright, under the basics of Python programming, you need to learn about basic syntax as well, right? So you need to learn about basic syntax, and next you need to learn variables and data types. Next you need to learn about conditionals, right? Similarly, you need to learn about typecasting, and next you need to learn about functions and built-in functions, right? So next you need to learn about lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries, right? These topics have been already discussed in my YouTube channel. These topics have been discussed in my YouTube channel as well. You can go and see, alright? So, okay, so I need a color combination of, let's say, what color combination do you need? Okay, 4F00, alright? Alright. So, after knowing the basics of Python programming, you need to jump into data structures and algorithms. You need to jump into data structures and algorithms, and all of these, you have a lot of things to discuss, alright? So yeah, on the data structures and algorithms, you need to learn about arrays and linked lists, right? Similarly, you need to know about ifs and stacks, as well as queues, and similarly, you need to learn about hash tables, right? So yeah, arrays and linked lists, if, stacks and queues, hash tables, and next you need to learn about binary search trees, and next you need to know about regression as well, and next you need to know about sorting algorithms, right? How you can sort algorithms, alright? Okay, how you can perform sorting in Python programming, alright? So next, after doing in-depth knowledge about data structures and algorithms, you can type into advanced topics, right? After knowing all these advanced topics, you can, okay, we can pick color. Okay, so I need a color combination. Xcode for my preferred color combination is FFFF00. Alright, okay, that seems cool. Alright, so next, under advanced topics, you need to know about iterators, right? And you need to know about modules. both built-in and custom modules. Alright. So next you need to know about regex, decorators, lambda. Similarly, you need to know about OOP, object-oriented programming. Right. So under this, you need to know about classes, inheritance, methods and order, and so on. Right. Also, we have package managers over here. Right. You need to know about package managers. That is, okay, under the package managers, you need to know about PyPI, PIP, conda, poetry, and so on. Right. PyPI, pip, conda, and poetry. Alright. So next, you need to know these topics. This includes list comprehensions, generator expressions, paradigms, and so on. Right. Okay. So finally, after diving into advanced topics, you can now learn a framework. Right. So it's time to learn framework now. So there can be two ways you can do learn a framework. Right. You can simply learn a framework. Okay. So I need to get the call combination here. I have the hex code FFFF00. Okay, please let me know in the comment section more brightest color hex code combination than this, right? Because I need more brightest color for this. Alright, so on the learning a framework, okay, on the framework sections, you need to learn framework either by synchronous or asynchronous, right? Under synchronous, you can simply make use of these topics, right? Fast API, Django, Flux. We have Fast API, Django, and Flux, right? Okay, you need to know a bit about pyramid as well before diving into synchronous, right? And next, another way is asynchronous, right? Under asynchronous, you can learn. Okay, you need to learn about JVint, AIO, HTTP, Tornado, and Sonic. Alright. Finally, after learning a framework, it's time to dive into launching your app, testing your apps. Alright. Combining all the concepts you learn, you need to be able to develop an app. Okay, there's the correct combination. Okay, testing your apps. You can test your apps after having a depth knowledge of all these topics, right? Starting from selection of a language to learning a framework, you're now in testing apps, right? Launching your first app after combining all these concepts, right? So that's it. So on the testing an apps, you can test your apps using doctest, nodes, pytest, unitest, pyunit. Alright? These are the testing tools and resources, right? Okay, for more you can visit my GitHub account, that is khomz, or you can simply search this khomz, or you can join https://github.com/khomz. Alright, the beginning for usable topics and the coming future as well. I'll be talking more roadmaps in coming days as well, right? So yeah, please do like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Okay, I'll give you the link of this roadmap as well, right? So that's it for today, and hope you guys enjoyed our today's roadmap of Python developer journey, right? Journey of a Python developer. How journey of a Python developer is reached, right? I'll be sharing this, right? This link will be shared on the video description below, right? On the video description below, you can see this roadmap, alright? So that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed our today's discussion on roadmap of Python developer. Until then, have a nice day, goodbye, happy coding.